Hi, it's nice to see you again, all virtually. My name is Marianne. I'm a young advisor for Doncaster Council. I'm aware that I don't have a lot of time, so I'll just give you a brief update. And if I keep looking this way or that way, it's because I'm referring to my PowerPoint, which should be available for you to look at afterwards or alongside this. The Young Advisors are a group of young people aged 16 to 24, and we are employed by the Doncaster Council to shape services within Doncaster and make them more young people and child friendly to improve, obviously, the service. We were commissioned by the CCG last year to create some resources for the new With Me in Mind service, which was great. We really enjoyed doing this work, and we met with loads of professionals, had so many meetings, got really involved in this work, everything down to the image of the website, or the image of With Me in Mind, how it should be accessed by young people, parents, carers, the colours, everything. We had a voice, we had a say in it, and we really enjoyed doing this work. It was great to work with such people who really listened and were interested in what we had to say. From this, we were able to create 2 resources: a book for primary-aged students, Super Sam, and if some of you were at the launch or may have seen, we had someone dress up as Super Sam, which was brilliant. That was great. And this book, Super Sam, was aged at the primary school students to obviously explain everything that they're going through and help get across that if you're going through any of this stuff, talk. The best thing you can do is talk to those around you, talk to people who care, and it was a way to communicate with young people, young children, without them even realising that they're getting this help and advice, and we feel that it really got the point across, and many schools loved it, and we've received such great feedback. Same again with the film. The film was targeted at the higher age range because we had such a wide age range. We couldn't cover both with just one resource. So for the higher end, for the high school people and the college students, we produced a film. The film was a mental health awareness film, obviously, to tackle 3 main problems that we were assigned: anxiety, body image, and exam stress. These 3 things are things that people my age suffer with all the time, especially as you're moving up, transitioning from year 6 to year 7, there's so much around these 3 things, and they definitely covered a large majority of young people's problems. So that's what we based our film around. We feel like we hit the nail on the head, we got this right, because in the film, young people should be able to look at that and relate to it. Hopefully not, but if they do relate to it, they can think, that's my problem, that's what I'm going through. And then we've identified the problem. Well, okay, what do I do? How do I move forward? The resources and the services are there in the film, showing them where to go, where to get help, who to talk to, and emphasising talk. Talk to anybody, people who you trust, people around you, your family, friends. And this film really does that. It's a way to engage young people and help. We've been helping people online with vlogs, online support, offering ideas on how to stay entertained, stay focused, mentally healthy during quarantine, during lockdown, because we know being isolated and alone with your own thoughts is not good. It's difficult, and we don't want people to suffer in silence. What we're going through now is unknown territory. We don't know what's happening, and we've never experienced anything like this, so you're not alone. And these were the messages that we were giving out online to to all these young people, which is great because we know that they can access it. Anyone with a phone, anyone with a tablet or device can access our online profile, and we hope that when they do open their phone up, that our profile will be there. and something that they can access easily, and also promoting the With Me Mind service on our page. That's what we're here. We're giving them options, we're giving them the resources, we're showing them the With Me in Mind service and working together, especially on Mental Health Awareness Week. We work together to further the Mental Health Awareness Week. The kindness was the theme, and we were reposting, retweeting everything that With Me in Mind service was. We were really trying to raise awareness and draw attention to the With Me in Mind service. On the PowerPoint, you'll also see some examples of how our work and how we did this. It was amazing to be involved in such a work, down to, which was so surprising. I was so surprised that we had an input down to the last T. It was great to see such amazing professionals work together in a room. The Young Advisors, we all really enjoyed working with the With Me in Mind project. It's probably the biggest piece of work we've done, and we were so happy to have the opportunity to do this. So we would definitely continue supporting With Me in Mind, whether that is online, in schools, wherever that may be. We definitely want to keep doing work with you guys, and definitely want to continue the support. And we enjoyed working with you guys. And just as Young Advisor, I would like to say thank you for everything, and that we enjoyed working together.